Very well.
To record. So I gave you sample of how you are going to conduct the tenses into your writing. Yeah? We are not aiming band 6, but we are aiming band 7. So what we need is to apply as many tenses that you can apply. Yeah.
I see.
See, by the sample from the year. Yeah. I have given this already to your WhatsApp. Okay.
I
And then
see.
how to perform in past tense, passive voice or active voice. Yeah. Right. So the next one is that the line chart you did already last time. So we are going to deal not with the line chart, but anyway, even with this line chart table, it is still the same, sir. Yeah. So I will give you table chart, yes, and then make sure on the left side in here you can see the structure. Yes, John. You just have to trust me, okay? Do not use the way that you are presenting something based on daily use, okay? IELTS is a structured essay, even it is task 1 or task 2, yeah? So look at the sample that I give you, and then how supposed to be fill in every of the paragraph on the left side there, and use as many as linking words and noun or verb, so it doesn't appear as repetitive words, ya. And then you'll be okay. Okay. Nanti kalau udah get used to it, you can improve by yourself. Tapi yang structured essay-nya, when I see your writing, it's not yet structured essay, ya. Okay.
I see.
Okay. So follow the sample in here. Okay. Yeah.
Understood.
Okay. So you have this question. You haven't done this one, right?
I don't think I have.
Yeah. So 20 minutes start from now. It will be ended in about 36:56. Yeah.
I see.
2:56. If you need anything, I will send you also another linking word if you need. Follow. Apa?
I understand. I'll do it.
Yeah. Okay. Any question, you can just ask me. This is not a test, yeah. But I provided you all in my slide.
If I do have a question, I shall ask it.
Yes. And my message is just you see this are three different timing, right? 2000, 2005, 2009. Remember my message. You can apply more than two
Past tense.
tests. Past tense or past perfect.
I see.
Uh, John, would you mind sending me per paragraph so I can give you feedback each one of the paragraph, not directly one text? Yeah.
Yes, I was thinking on how I would write paragraph one, honestly.
Eight.
The new information you've given me.
Mm, paragraph one is barely just paraphrasing the questions in here. What are the categories exist? The sample in here, the weaknesses is not mentioning about the name of the category, which it's supposed to be stated in there. So if I'm adding up, yeah, uh, the table illustrates the percentage of school children attending four different types of secondary school, which were, and then specialist school or such as specialist school, blah, 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 until community schools from 2000 to 2009. Yeah. This one here is not yet complete. Okay. Category is this one, John. Here. The school. It has to be mentioned in paragraph one. The question that you get in every session of the lesson will not come out in the test. Okay, so when you are trying to deal with the practice, yeah, you can look from the sample. It doesn't mean that it is imitating, yeah, but I'm giving the sample so you don't go out of line, yeah, leading you to like this is what's supposed to be appear later on. Okay.
Understood.
It's supposed to be ended in the next minute, but you just sent me one paragraph. How many paragraph have you done?
I'm currently
Yeah.
writing the second paragraph. I see the problem now. I
Oh,
think I may or may not have made a mistake. I mixed the second paragraph with the third paragraph.
oh, but then you have reached a third paragraph. Don't forget, yeah, maybe it's been like kind of like 2 weeks that we don't refill all in our writing. We don't have time because the given time only 20 minutes. So barely what you are going to explain is only the highest, lowest, or and the similar points that appear. Yeah. So not explaining a single of them. Yeah.
See,
Like Luan, the overview in here is very clear. Only highest, lowest, and similar points if they exist. If not, then just the highest and then the lowest. From what year? What are the categories? Like that. Let's see where are you now, and then you can continue. But send me first.
understood.
In IELTS, we are dealing with the timing, yeah, with different category.
Understood.
Mm. And 20 minutes is just 20 minutes. So these are the strategies in here, yeah. We have only to do this, yeah, cannot other than that because of the limitation of. What I see in here that you mentioned, the one who took voluntarily school, control school high, as well as community school, because it kept on increasing. So which one is the lowest one of all? If I see
Oh, I
the
forgot.
table directly, the lowest of all was the
Specialist group.
specialist school in 2009.
See,
Mm,
I should probably fix that then.
Yeah, it's that simple. And I'm a little bit concerned about the speed. Yeah,
I see.
I insist that don't just follow the sample. Yeah, change a little bit. Yeah, if you have something that is you think more important, and then you add up. Yeah, but the sample in here is quite clear. Yeah, only not complete. If you can make it more complete than the sample, it's good. Just want to see a real 20 minutes. So 5 more minutes, yeah. But finish it until fourth paragraph, yeah.
See,
So the third one is you are going to explain what happened for the highest one, compare with probably the second highest, yeah. And then try to implement different tenses because when you are explaining from the year 2000, you are going to say them in past perfect. But if you state something in 2009, you are going to use past tense like that. In that way, uh, you can claim that I did already my job for the tenses one. Yeah. And the comparison is how you are going to compare the highest with the second highest, probably. The highest one was taken by voluntarily, yeah. And then after that, oh no, the highest was community school. The highest was achieved by community school in year 2009 by the percentage of 58% respectively. In paragraph 3, it has to be detailed, yeah? The year with the percentage. Paragraph 4 also. In paragraph 4, you compare the lowest of all, compare with other, mention the time, mention the percentage, and then done. And how does the gap appear? Is it quite a tremendous gap or just a simple gap?
see. So I shall be doing this one again, or what shall I be doing? Shall I continue?
Yes, continue
Understood.
until fourth paragraph. You are not confused with what's supposed to be in paragraph 3 and 4, right?
Yeah,
Confused?
I'm not really that
No.
confused.
Okay. Only 4 more minutes, yeah. And then
Yes.
continue with the writing task. 4 more minutes for writing task one. Grade 1 for paragraph 3. Yeah. Okay. So paragraph 4 contain the lowest one of all grammar schools. Why did you take grammar school as the focus for your fourth paragraph?
Partially because I already used community and voluntary school.
No. So, paragraph 2 means overview. It means conclusion. It means what's supposed to be appear later on, but in detail for paragraph 3 and 4. So, the function of paragraph 3 and 4 is to elaborate what you have stated in paragraph 2 in the overview. Like that, John. Yeah, but more detail, including the number, including the gap between the one that you compare with.
You see.
So what's supposed to be in the paragraph 3, that's why my concern that I was saying, focus with the highest and then compare in the paragraph 3, and then paragraph 4, focus with the lowest and then compare the lowest with something else. Like that. Yeah. Well, with the numbers, the gap, when it happened, and how does the movement, yeah, is it drastically changed, yeah, or drastically different? Like that. Voluntarily school, community school appears, yeah. So this is not revealing one by one the data, no, yeah. Focus with the highest and then the lowest, yeah, because the highest and the lowest supposed to be stated in your overview. The privilege for the bar graph, line chart, table, you don't have to explain all. For diagram, yes.
See.
Okay, so now you understand the structure that I gave you on the left side here. Yeah,
I could get it now.
has to be like that because the given time only 20 minutes. Trust me, you can do fast. Yeah, if you just follow that. Yeah, if you are looking one by one like this, yeah, you have no control. Yeah, by the time past 20 minutes you have a finish, yeah, but if you are destined, yeah, like okay, I have to find highest, lowest, and then similar point, and then put, and then I have to elaborate them in paragraph 3 and 4, your mind will be focused. Okay, I would like you to fix first, yeah, then you can deal with the writing task 2 by yourself, yeah, but I would like to see the proper one and merge all, okay, paragraph 1 2 and then the new 3 and 4. Okay, Jen?
Understood.
Yeah.
I guess I'll resend what my
Yeah,
note.
after you edit them. Mm. I come back, yeah, to here. Um, I will say that, you know, elaborate highest point in comparison. This one, elaborate the lowest in comparison. Plus, probably if you have the similar one. But this data doesn't have the similar point, yeah. Oh
I
yes, it
see.
has specialist schools and then community schools that you have to mention that. If it exists, you have to mention. It comes from what categories with how many points.
Excuse me, I've completed the previous paragraph. 3 and 4.
On the 4 topics of the table, all but one suffered a decline. From where? The most severe of these declines can be seen from voluntary, okay, with 42%. But then in 2009, it had dropped to 20, fine. And then grammar school had a decline, but special school barely had a decline. Being the least affected of the 3. Then in here you can mention for the paragraph 3, yeah. If it being the least affected of the 3, then you mention with how many percentage, yeah. The different paragraph 2 as conclusion with the detail is that the detail supposed to state the number, yeah? The number or the gaps. Okay. In contrast, let's see. Community schools which are tied with special schools for having someone 12%. I believe that I saw 11, yeah. 11%. Do we have 11%?
No, there wasn't 11%, I believe. At 2009 at least.
12% was the lowest.
In the year 2000 and yeah, in the year 2012 was the lowest.
Out of all, when in writing task 1, when we say the conclusion, that means above all years. Yeah. Yeah. So I think I see 11%. Let's see. I'm in the WhatsApp, so oh. Yes, here. The lowest was from special school, even 10% here. Yeah,
I see.
what are the confusement? So here, yeah. But it happens, yeah, it happens like this. Uh, Student confused, yeah. So when we are making, let's say from introduction, yes, you are paraphrasing the questions, yeah, from the given question, and then because every data will have different year, you have to state the time from what year to what year, yeah. Mention also the name of the categories. In here we have 4 categories: special school, grammar schools, voluntarily schools, and then community schools. That's supposed to be stated in paragraph 1. Okay.
See.
And then after that, you give opening statement to move to the second paragraph. Right? In the second paragraph, your job is to create conclusion, yeah, an overview of what the general things, the significant things that appear in the given data. This case is table data, yeah. But they are concerned with how you present the highest and the lowest and the similar points only, yeah. Not revealing one by one, only those 3 points, yeah. Of course, by getting the summary, like how was the tendency of the graph, yeah. Is it showing, for example, that you can directly see special school, it kept on declining, right? That can be as the overview, yeah, from year 2000 until 2009, it kept on declining. In contrast, it happens also in voluntary control school. In contrast, community school appeared as the one that having the incline by the years passing. That's what's supposed to be in the overview. Okay. And after that, paragraph 3 going to reveal the one that you state in overview, but more detail like that. Okay. So it's not one by one, but it's based on all. So when we get the data, we take a look at the data first, silent, and then seek for the highest of all year, all category. It doesn't matter that if from here, the highest community school in 2009, and then the lowest was taken by special school in 2009 too. Yeah, so that is something that happened from the same year. Then you state that in the overview. So focus is always with all the required number that's supposed to be appear. If you wanted to mention the second highest or uh, the same category with different year, that is later as comparison. Yeah. Any question?
I think I do understand what I should do next.
Yeah. But it can be next time. Okay. Yeah. Barely what you did first is you already fixed. You already fixed only. Why suddenly there is only 12%? Yeah, because I recall that we have 10% in here. Yeah, as the lowest. Okay, we can't. This highest, lowest, similar point. It's a must. Yeah, John. Yeah, it's
I
a must.
see.
They ask that one. They don't ask you to explain about complete special schools from year to year. No. Yeah. They ask you overall. Yeah. So in IELTS, the writing about the overview is the one that is very important. They evaluate your understanding of the questions by looking through your overview. When your overview great, yeah, by performing highest, lowest, and from the one that you already introduced, yeah, in paragraph one, and then if you, oh, okay, this one, okay, yeah. You just have to put effort a little bit to see the tendency of the graph, yeah. The tendency of each one of the category, yeah. In here, yeah, the tendency is this is not fluctuated situation, yeah, because some showing decline, some showing the incline, yeah.
I see.
If it is fluctuated, like it's up, down, up, down, like that, then you can mention in the overview like that. Right one. So that you learn from it, yeah. Instead of leading you with the second task, yeah, for the writing task too, you gotta do it by yourself if you have time, John. Okay, it's it's gonna be 40 minutes, but I suggest that you are going to make this perfect again. Edit again your last writing. It's great, but it's not reaching the target. Yeah,
I see.
right. If you are making like this, and then the score will be 5. Yeah, because what they ask, you don't give yet. Uh, you
See.
explain, yeah, but they wanted it's based on the many years of experience, yeah, that they ask highest and then lowest and then similar point as the focus. Yeah.
See.
Okay.
Well, next time if I do another one like this, I should like tell them the highest point was in this year, while the lowest in this year is like that.
Yes, as simple as it is, like that. Yeah. It will be faster also. Yeah, it will be faster. Fine then. I gave you, oh no, I haven't given you. So I'll give you practice. Do you have time to do? No, yeah. You have to be with me, yeah, doing the practice. Actually, because for the writing task two, that as it has sample also, you can look up the sample first and then, oh, like this, yes, writing has to appear. It has also category what's supposed to be in paragraph 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ah, see, where is it? Here. Have sample, but you do in your own time or next time that we have session. Okay, John?
Understood.
So our next lesson will be Thursday. What time? Afternoon? 5:15, yeah. 5:15?
What do you mean 5:15?
Thursday one. Thursday.
Yes, Thursday 5:15.
Okay, so I'll see you, yeah, Thursday 15. The
Very well.
attendance will be for Thursday, yeah, online.
Thank you for this experience and so allowing me to understand the bed better.
Yeah, to write faster, actually. Yeah, these are strategies. We have been dealing with this like more than 20 years, yeah. So this is the fastest one and more focus anyway.
Understood.
Have a rest. I'll see you Thursday, yeah.
I'll see you on Thursday.
Bye.